Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to create a HACCP plan in just 7 minutes using Icicle. Creating a HACCP plan from scratch could be quite a lot of work if done manually. You will need to deal with 11 different HACCP forms, and chances are that a lot of people probably don't even know where to start. But with Icicle, it's really simple. All you need to do is follow the instructions, click generate, and just like that, your HACCP plan will be ready to go. So let's get to it. I'll start here by explaining the basics of Icicle and how it works. In Icicle, you have all the key elements of HACCP plans such as ingredients, products, packaging, etc. are organized under different interfaces. When the time comes to generate a HACCP plan, Icicle will pull all the information together and create all the forms for you in a matter of just seconds. So let me show you how to do that in an example. Let's say that you want to create a HACCP plan for this 10-inch pita bread here. All the product information about this bread will be stored in the product detail, as you can see on the screen here, from product name to G10 to weight, product owner, everything should be in here. And to create a HACCP plan, your first step is to make sure that your product information is recorded in here and correctly. Once you've done that, everything becomes pretty easy. You move on to the next step, which is to make sure that the formula, or recipe as I call it, for the 10-inch pita bread here is documented under the formula list here. So click on the 10-inch pita bread there, and again, formula, we have ingredients, materials, byproducts, processing steps, and after checking that formula is all done and finished, you can move on to processing flow and make sure that that one is completed. So this one here is the process flow. It's basically a diagram describing all specific steps involved in making, in this case here, pita bread. From intake of water, filtration, to proofing, sheeting, and all the way at the end, shipping. Everything should be in here. And one great thing about Icicle is that if you're new to Icicle, all the data entry should be done with our mass import Excel sheet and computer database inquiry, which means that you will have everything up and running when you sign up. That saves a lot of trouble for you, and you don't have to worry about any of those. Going back to our pita bread here, there's just one more thing left to do. In the facility detail page, complete the hazard plan analysis for all elements to make sure that hazards are identified and controlled for ingredients and processes steps. All you need to do is go in here, make sure analysis status here, everything is complete and in green. If it's not complete, it's gonna show red. And for this example here, we're gonna just show you the metal detection process here, using that as an example. So in here, you'll see that from facility, process, hazards, again, everything here is pretty simple and straightforward. All you need to do is go through them one by one, go through all the questions from yes or no to monitoring process, deviation process, procedures, verification procedures, make sure all that's done, and moving on to risk assessment. What we have here is basically likelihood on top and severity on the left side. So pick the one accordingly, and once you're done all that, click save and you're good to go. So now that here comes the exciting part, go back to your main page, click on HACCP plan icon here, and click on the plus sign on the top left there to start a new plan. All you need to do is type in your plan name. In this case here, not 20, we're gonna type in 10-inch pita bread, and select your facility, which we'll just do Auckland facility for now, and create. assign a product and make sure you click save there, and everything's done. All that's left to do is, again, clicking on the icon here on top left, and a copy of your HACCP plan should be ready to go. And you could share this with your inspectors and auditors when they come visit your facility. As you can see here, 21 pages of complete hazard analysis, CCP, everything you want, flowchart, product information, ingredient, everything should be in here. 21 pages of HACCP plan. So that's all for today. And if you have any questions or want to learn more about Icicle, feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help.